For bunions naturally, bunions have been quite a nuisance among Bunions, dancers and common folks in general. Bunions are common illness of year 2 and most people refer to the doctors when it comes down to bunions. This is a common thing and if the treatment is considered too late to be treated normally, however there are things you can do to heal bunions before they get worsened. Homemade Bunions remedies can save the day and there is no need for complicated procedures in healing them. Number 1 is chamomile. Chamomile is a popular and effective herbal remedy that can provide the relief from the bunion issues. It has anti-inflammatory properties that help to reduce the pain and inflammation. It may even shrink the bunions. You can try any of these remedies for a combination of them. Brew a cup of the tea using a chamomile or a tea bag and sip it while it is still warm. Also put these used tea bags directly onto your bunions and use this home treatment for 3 to 4 times a day. Massage the affected area with chamomile essential oil mixed in the carrier oil every night before going to bed. This will help to improve the alignment of the two and you can even apply some over-the-counter ointment that contains chamomile on the affected area to reduce the pain and inflammation. Number 2 is Calendula. Another effective herbal treatment for the bunion is Calendula and known as marigold. This herb has anti-inflammatory properties and that can help to reduce the pain and inflammation. It even prevents the formation of the corns and calluses on the affected area. Gently crush some calendula leaves with your hands to extract the juice. Apply the juice on the affected area and allow it to dry on its own. Repeat it 2 to 3 times daily. Alternatively, you can also buy Calendula ointment from an herbal store and apply it on the affected area 2 to 3 times daily for several days. Number 3 is aspirin. Aspirin foot soaks that you use to treat the headache can also alleviate the discomfort associated with bunions. It can reduce the stinging pain from the inflamed area, plus it keeps the affected area soft to prevent the corns and calluses. Dissolve 2 to 3 aspirin in a small tub filled with lukewarm water. Soak the affected foot in the solution until the water becomes cold. Pat your foot dry and massage with warm olive oil. Repeat once or twice daily to reduce the pain and always do a patch test before trying this remedy as aspirin may cause skin irritation or allergies in some people. Number 4 is proper footwear to minimize the chances of developing a bunion as well as reduce the need for allergy or surgery if you already have one. Pay attention to your footwear, always opting for the footwear with wide front, broad toes and soft soles. Use padded shoe inserts to help to distribute pressure eventually when you move your feet. If you have a bunion, opting for shoes with a wide and deep toe area, sandal is a good choice. Do not wear shoes with heels higher than 2.5 inches. Do not wear high-heeled shoes for longer than 3 hours at a time. Choose footwear that conforms you to shape your feet. Never force your foot into a shoe that doesn't fit. Along with shoes, avoid tight-fitting socks or stocking. Remove your shoes periodically during the day to give your feet a break. 5. Anti-inflammatory food. To curb pain and inflammation associated with bunions, it is essential to keep an eye on what you are eating. Many people have anti-inflammatory properties that can help to prevent and combat the inflammation, while others contribute to the inflammation in the body. Some anti-inflammatory foods include olives, salmon, ginger, turmeric, garlic, tart cherries, strawberries, blueberries, walnut, and sweet potatoes. Try to eat some of these foods daily. At the same time, avoid foods that promote the inflammation. Such foods include red meat, processed meat, refined sugar, eggs, and whey protein, corn oil, refined salt, refined grains. In addition to eating anti-inflammatory foods, try to increase your protein intake as well as food rich in vitamin A, B, complex, C, and E. Additional tips. If a bunion is present and becomes inflamed, keep the affected foot elevated for 15 minutes every other hour. Acupuncture can be useful in treating the symptoms of bunion. After washing your feet, make sure to dry the area between the two walls. And if you have corns, and use over-the-counter corn plaster to get rid of them quickly. Always ensure that the children's footwear is properly fitted. Try over-the-counter are supposed to get relief from the symptoms. If your doctor has prescribed some specific orthopedic devices, use them accordingly.